Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you guys the benefit of Cactus and how it helps the hair. Cactus is a very important vitamin. It has a lot of vitamin inside. It will help your hair for faster hair growth. It will prevent your hair from loss, and it will maintain it softer, and it will smooth and shiny your hair. So I'm gonna take you guys through this video. Let's go to my intro. So let me tell you what Cactus can do for your hair. Cactus has a potential benefit of hair due to its high nutrition contents. Benefits include promoting of your soft, strong, healthy hair and scalp, faster hair growth, and less hair loss, okay? Cactus is very good, guys. The Jamaican use it every single day. So let me take you guys through. So this is Cactus and my oil, my 3 essential oil. I'm mixing it with my onion, guys. I love my onion. I don't mess with my onion. You're gonna need a blender, a filter, just to filter it, okay, to strain the juice out, and a knife. So I'm gonna start with you guys. This is Cactus. It sprinkles, okay. It really pricked me when I was driving by. You see my yellow van. I was actually stopping by to pick some, and it prinks my hand. So if you want to take all the prints out, what you do is you take a knife and just screw it out, or just cut it, or you can even burn it on the fire. It's very, very healthy. It can grow your hair so faster. A friend of mine introduced this to me. There are numbers of ways you can wrap the benefit of Cactus for your hair. It can be used as either a mild shampoo or cold wash or condition, or as a hair mask, okay? So you're gonna wash see how I'm holding it? I'm holding it carefully so it does not prink me again. So I'm taking some of the prinks out. If you are doing this, please, you can also wear gloves just to avoid getting pranked on your hand, okay? Just to make sure you are safe, because it's really, trust me guys, it really hurts. It really, really hurts when it pranks one of your fingers or your hand. It can make you feel bad because it's painful. This Cactus is gonna make your hair softer. It will help prevent hair fall out if your hair is losing a lot. The onion juice is powerful, guys. So imagine combining the onion with the Cactus. It will help make your hair grow faster. It will prevent any form of hair loss. Your hair from even the sun. It's very, very good. It has a lot of protein. It contains a lot of anti-inflammatory. Provide the hair with loads of hydration, okay? It's great for your skin as well, guys. It's not only for your hair, okay? Cactus water moisturize your skin. It can also go a long way to moisturize your hair. If you have dry damage or you are battling of losing hair, Cactus water can come to your hair rescue. It will hydrate your hair. It will hydrate your skin. It will moisturize. Even you can use it to brighten your skin. Okay, do you know that you can brighten your skin with Cactus? It's powerful, guys. And also, if you have dandruff, oh, cha-cha-chai. If you have dandruff, trust me, guys, try this. It will remove, it will kill and ease dandruff easily. It controls dandruff because this Cactus is very strong. Okay, it's very, very strong. It will help your hair. So combine that with your onion juice and just blend everything together. So now I'm blending it together. And please make sure it blends very well. And remember, you can add more water if you want, because the Cactus is very slimy, yeah? More than, the juice inside is more than aloe vera. Okay, it's, I don't know, guys. Just look at that, look at that. Look how slimy. You see? Very slimy, more than aloe vera. Oh, when my friend told me about this, I didn't actually put my head on it, but I tried on myself. And it's beautiful. I love it. So now I'm gonna put it in my spray bottle, and I'm gonna show you guys how I use it on my hair. But first of all, please make sure you try on your skin to make sure that you are not allergic to anything, okay? It's good sometimes when you see new products or DIY, please try it on your skin to make sure that you are not allergic to anything. So now I'm putting in my essential oil. So first is my lavender. Lavender is also good for growing hair. It hydrates the scar under your hair. And now I'm adding ginger. We all know the benefit of ginger. Ginger is also quick and marvelous hair remedy, okay? It grows your hair very faster. Now this is my peppermint. Peppermint also grow hair, guys. It moisturizes your hair. It helps circulate the blood in your scalp. So I combine all my 3 essential oil in, and I'm gonna give it a big shake. And now I'm gonna apply it on my hand just to show you guys before you use it on your scalp. So because it's a bit itchy as well, so it's good to try it and see if you are not allergic. Now I'm gonna put some in my bottle. So when I use the first one, it's finished. Then I can use the second one. You can also put this in the fridge for only 3 days, so you can use it again, okay? If you made too much, just put it in the fridge and you can use it for 3 days. Don't keep it in for 1 week, guys. Never keep it for 1 week because it's not gonna work good. It's good to do it and use it fresh as you start. That is all. Cactus gel for hair growth. Finish. I'm outside, it's sunny here. I've braided, since I use the onion juice, first I do my hair 8 and 6, and now I'm doing 4. So my hair is growing. I have 2 in the front, 2 at the back. So I'm doing each session. Make sure you put your hair in sessions just to help you put it easy, okay? So this is my hair, and I'm gonna start from the front to your edges. Yeah. So I'm gonna do all of my hair. as onion. That's all, guys. I just try it. So when I put it in, my hair was so smooth and shiny, and it's softened the hair. Like, I don't know how to explain. Thick, like very hard, because it starts to process. So I'm leaving it for 30 minutes or 1 hour before I wash it off. Okay, so a friend of mine from Jamaica recommended me to try that. Okay, so I try it today on my hair, and after I finish, even to put the plastic on, I feel the softness of my hair. And as you guys can see, since I started using the onion juice 6 months now, you guys have seen how my hair has grown, guys. So add this Cactus to your onion juice, and more is coming. So watch out. It's sunny, so I'm just gonna stand in the sun to heat up my hair. I'm standing in the sun to heat up my hair before I wash it off. So that's all. Please try it and put your comment down below if you have any question. Rated DIY for hair growth for you. Ciao, Bella. I'm out, and I'll see you.